Good morning from my kitchen. I am going to make some pancakes this morning, but I'm going to do something a bit different. I'm going to try using this very cute little teddy bear. Is it a teddy bear? This very cute teddy bear pancake pan. I actually picked this up from a bookshop of all places. It's called Whitcoulls. It's a bookshop that's been open for years since I was a child. It must be at least 40 years old. I'll find out how long it's been open for and put the date that it opened first in New Zealand here for you. Anyway, this is a very cute little set. It comes with the pancake mix, a little sachet of Nutella. We're just going to use the pan. This was on clearance, which is why I picked it up. It was $10 and the original price was $22.90, which there'll be no way I would be spending $22.90 on this. But at $10, it was definitely an impulse buy. That's the wee sachet of Nutella it comes with, and a bag of pancake mix. And that's the pan. Very cute. I'm not convinced we're going to get good results. Hopefully I'm not disappointed, because $10 will be totally wasted. It looks like with a pancake mix you just have to add milk, but like I said, we're not going to use these. We're going to use this morning I was up early and I made a batch of my fail-proof fluffy pancakes. These have been sitting for about an hour on my bench. If you want that recipe, I did make a video about it a little while ago, so I'll link that here for you. This is the only pancake recipe I use. Light, fluffy, never fails me, and you can put whatever you want in them. Chocolate chips, blueberries, banana, you can make them plain. It's totally up to you. Let's give this a quick rinse and then we'll heat it up on the stove. While my pan's heating up, I just want to show you this pancake mix. It's a really nice, thick consistency, almost like a cake batter. In reality, pancakes are just cake, aren't they? Cooked in the pan. It's a bit like whenever you have like a muffin for breakfast. A muffin is literally just a cake cooked in a small thing, so you're having cake for breakfast. I think we like to work around what we're actually eating. So anyway, kids are having cake for breakfast. I'm gonna work a little bit of butter on the pan. It looks like it's non-stick, but I wouldn't trust it. I'm using this small ladle just to ladle in some of the pancake batter. I reckon about 2 of these will do it. I have to wriggle it around a bit to get into the corners. This is to make sure it does actually look like a bear. I have some frozen blueberries I'm going to put into a couple of the pancakes, and then 2 of them I'm just going to do plain, and no doubt my daughter will want to have Nutella on hers. So we're going to make sure we have to get all our vegetables in later today, because today is probably not starting the best. It looks like it's cooking really nicely around the edges. I might just give it another 30 seconds and then I'm going to attempt to flip it over. I managed to flip it. It looks cute. It'll be quite cool to do like little blueberries in the eyes or something. I like it. This second one, I've just put 1 ladle of the batter in, and then I'm just gonna pop a few blueberries. And here are our finished pancakes. 1 plain pancake and blueberry. I think they came out pretty good. I was actually impressed at how they worked. I thought it was going to be a bit of a disaster, but I think they look pretty cute. So let's eat.
I need eyebrows.
Put eyebrows on them
then. Looks like Pooh Bear.
Oh, looks so cute now. That's better. Not so Homer Simpson now.